What makes it really problematic is that, the government, we're pretty much, at least in America, our healthcare is like heavily subsidized here, especially for people who are over the age of 65 and over. If you actually look at the data in terms of how much these programs spend on drugs, you'll start to realize that a lot of the drug spend they pass out, 50% of that drug spend actually returns back to the government, as opposed to people who pay out of pocket. None of that money ever comes back in the form of rebates. So that's kind of troubling for at least two reasons. One, we're overpaying, but two, you start to think about how much money we spend into the system. We're just printing dollars at this point. There isn't a mechanism that subsidizes healthcare. I mean, we're not collecting enough tax revenue. We're essentially printing more money to have these drugs being paid for, new drugs come onto the market. It's not a great system to have. And it's getting to a point where, the amount we're spending as a country versus how much money is being collected as revenue from taxes, it's not sustainable. And